What's up, guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. You caught me stocking the fridge with the leftover beer from last weekend's event. Yeah, I know there's never supposed to be leftover beer from an event, but it does happen sometimes. What are you going to do? Anyway, the reason I'm here is we got Sabbath by the Sea coming up this Sunday. Royal Palms Beach, San Pedro, California. Starts at 8 a.m. Pretty much goes all day. There'll be people there hanging out off and on. But we got a lot of guys asking, hey, should I come in town for this event? Should I drive in from Arizona or Nevada? Man, that sounds rad, but I can't tell you it's a good idea. But if you want to come, I hope to see you there. Well, either way, we put together a little video that we're about to show you based upon some footage I had from last month's event. My buddy Eric had some footage from last month's event. Should be a couple minutes. Just give you an idea of what Sabbath by the Sea is like. And guess what? We'll be filming again this Sunday, so we hope to see you out there. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. Check this out. Let me put these freaking beers back, man. Alright guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Oh shit, you guys are still here. My bad. Move these out of the way. So yeah, so that's basically what Sabbath by the Sea is like. So it's this Sunday, San Pedro, California, Royal Palms Beach. Starts at 8 a.m. People will probably be there off and on all day. Get there early if you want to get a good spot because it's going to fill up. And no, it doesn't cost to come to Sabbath by the Sea. You pay the $10 parking fee at the beach parking lot. All the money goes back into the beaches and the parks. It helps everybody out. Win-win. Pick up after yourself. We have free coffee and donuts, and we'd love to see you out there. All right, guys. Well, fuck. It's been a day. Oh, it's been a day where the tab spins. There we go. All All right, guys, I'm gonna drink one of these and get back to work. All right, if you're gonna be there Sunday, we'll see you then. We're also got scheduled the first Sunday of the next month also, so if you can't make it to this one, don't sweat. We'll be at the next one too, and the rest of the dates we'll announce after that. All right, guys, take it easy. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.